Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakia Kamila, and in this video, I would like to share about my assignment. Is about ANOVA and T-test. And the title I'm gonna use is about the frequency of emotion, word, and pride and prejudice, and Jane Eyre quantitative compare study. And this study will be focused on the frequency of emotion used in two famous words English novel, namely Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen and Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. And literally work often portray characters' emotion and through language. And the author used the related to some kind of emotion like a happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and love to create emotional depth and engage the readers. And since every author has a unique writing style and the frequency of emotion, words may vary from one the novel to another. And this study aims to compare the use of emotion word in these two novels. For the research question is there any significant differences between in the frequency of emotion word used in Pride and Prejudice and Jane Eyre? And the hypotheses of the study are the first one is null hypothesis or H0. There is no significant differences in the frequency of emotion word used in Pride and Prejudice and Jane Eyre. And what about the alternative hypothesis or H1? There is significant differences in the frequency of emotion words used in Pride and Prejudice and Jane Eyre. And this also employs a quantitative research design, and the data will be from the text of the two novels. And uh, for to collect the data, the researchers will have to read both of novel and create a list of emotion words. Each occurrences of emotion word will be counted and recorded in the data table. For example, words such as happy, joy, anger, sadness, and etc. And the words such as the sad, sorrow, and happy and grief will be categorized as the sadness words. And after data collection process, the frequencies of all emotion words will be calculated. Descriptive statistic will be used to present a total frequencies first percent and also distribution of emotion word in each novel. So the test whether the differences between the two novel is statistically significant, the results will be used an independent sample t-test. And for the result of the study is to determine which novel use emotional word more frequently and to identify differences and the author's emotional expressed through language. And this research also demonstrated that literally text can be analyzed quantitative um, by converting textual readers into numerical data and applicable statistical analytic. So that's all for my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.